Now let's take it over to Massachusetts. New Bedford Mayor Jon Mitchell says the city is still shut down and a lot of work needs to get done. The city saw a whopping 37 inches of snow, and it's evident in the streets and the sidewalks there as well. NBC 10's Kennedy Buck joins us live with what the plan is moving forward to clean all of this up. Kennedy.
Yeah, Tamara, Mayor Mitchell opened today's remarks saying that the city got walloped, and the focus is now on the cleanup, which we're told it will be a multi-day effort. There's now over 100 plows working to clean the roads, plus 20 additional contractor pieces. The city has also reached out to state DOT for additional equipment. Mayor Mitchell says, though, they have a long way to go and that parking ban will continue to be in place so his crews can work. Yesterday's storm brought many challenges, with the wind constantly blowing the snow back onto the roads. And many customers still remain without power. Eversource crews also working to ensure power can come back on for those houses. Residents we spoke to are frustrated and want to see more of a priority on side streets that are in neighborhoods. And the mayor says to have patience and city plows are on the way.
Focus on the main streets and then forget the side ones and forget people like us, you know?
They've all been touched, so sometimes when people look outside their windows and see like the plows never come here. The plows hit every street yesterday. It's just a lot of those streets were filled back up again by virtue of a 70 mile an hour gusts. So that work will be ongoing.
Mayor Mitchell has already said school has been canceled for tomorrow, and the city is still officially shut down. And as you can probably see, a lot of cleanup still left to go. The focus is going to be on those roads and those sidewalks. So please, he's saying, no, please don't park on the roads. Please don't travel if you need to, so the crews can continue get back to work. For now, in New Bedford, Kennedy Buck, NBC 10 News.